Welcome. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what do the skulls mean on the Pirate Bay? Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, on the Pirate Bay, the skulls you see next to the username, right here, these are usernames, and these are the skull colors, okay? So basically, these icons or skull icons is a status icon that help indicate whether a user is reliable or not, okay? So first off, we have the green skull in here. Okay, what does this mean? So these green skulls, okay, or green skulled users are VIP users, which means they are a highly trusted uploader, okay? Torrents from green skull users are generally safe, well-seeded, and also verified by the Pirate Bay admins, okay? Now, second one in here, we have the pink skull. Before, this was blue, but it was redacted by Pirate Bay for like 2015. It was gone, okay? So it is replaced by pink color. So pink color right here is a trusted user. These users with the pink badge or skulls are verified uploaders who regularly shares high quality content. Still trustworthy, but not as elite as VIPs. Now, if you'll be able to spot some orange or yellow skull, well, they are mostly staff members or mods or forum helpers, okay? They moderate the site and sometimes upload as well. Now, if you'll be able to see a torrent in here that doesn't got any skull, okay, or no skull, well, that means that the uploader is just a regular user, okay? That is because in Pirate Bay, anyone can upload. So no skull means that the uploader isn't verified. Just be extra cautious when downloading some stuffs from unverified users, okay? As you might get some fake files or even malware or even poor quality or mislabeled contents. Always check the comments, file size and seeds, or leech ratio before downloading anything, okay? Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.